Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make basil pesto. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so making basil pesto is very easy. You're better off making it yourself. Don't go paying a ridiculous cost at the supermarket. So what we need is a food processor, and into this we're going to place 2 cups of fresh basil. And to our basil we'll add a half a cup of parmesan cheese. This is just shaved parmesan. A quarter cup of pine nuts, about 3 crushed garlic cloves, just a pinch of salt, some cracked pepper. Now just place the lid on your food processor and on a high speed. After about 30 seconds, we'll take the lid off. We're just going to scrape all the sides because we want this all to mix together so we get a nice fine paste. So you may have to do this another 2 times because we don't want any big chunks in there. Now before we do that, we're going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And once again on a high speed. Once again, take the lid off, and we'll scrape the sides again, but you can see how it's starting to turn into a thick paste now. And we'll add another 3 tablespoons of olive oil. So in total you need about half a cup of olive oil. And once again on a high speed. Okay, take the lid off. There we have it guys, our pesto sauce is ready. So what we're going to do is transfer this into another container now. And there we have it guys, our beautiful basil pesto sauce. So if you're not sure what pesto is used for guys, pizzas, pastas, sandwiches, sky's your limit, dips, meze boards, whatever. It goes with anything. Now storage wise, make sure you refrigerate this and make sure it's covered or else it's going to go dark. But it's still good, you can still use it, and you'll easily get at least a month out of this. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. If you've got any comments or suggestions, leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time. Stay tuned for my next video, I'll show you how to make a chicken pesto pasta.